AI at CES 2026 was absolutely mind-blowing, and I am here to give you the inside scoop on the future that's arriving sooner than you think. Forget everything you thought you knew about technology, because the game has completely changed. We're not just talking about smarter phones or faster computers anymore. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. CES, the Consumer Electronics Show, has always been the crystal ball for tech. But this year, it felt less like a trade show, and more like stepping into a science fiction movie that has become a reality. First up, let's talk about the home. Your house is about to become your ultimate assistant. We saw the debut of fully integrated ambient AI systems. Imagine this. You walk into your home, and it already knows your mood. The lighting adjusts to a warm, relaxing hue because it detected a stressful day from your biometric data, shared securely from your smartphone. The kitchen suggests a simple, healthy recipe based on the ingredients you have and your fitness goals, even preheating the oven for you. This isn't just about voice commands anymore. It's about a home that anticipates your needs before you even realize them yourself. Companies like OmniLife and Aura Home showcased systems that learn your family's routines, optimizing energy consumption down to the watt, ordering groceries when you're running low, and even monitoring the health of your houseplants. It's a proactive, not reactive, living environment, and it's designed to give you back your most valuable asset: time. But the real showstopper in the smart home category was the evolution of domestic robotics. We're moving far beyond the simple robot vacuum. Think multifunctional robotic arms integrated into your kitchen, capable of chopping vegetables, stirring a pot, and even plating a meal with artistic flair. We saw a demonstration from a company called ChefBot that prepared a 3-course meal from scratch. The precision was incredible. These robots aren't just for chores. They're becoming creative partners. They can help with hobbies, assist the elderly with daily tasks, and provide a level of independence we've never seen before. The design is also becoming more friendly and less industrial, with soft-touch materials and expressive interfaces that make them feel more like a part of the family than just a machine. Now, let's step outside the home and into the world of transportation. The buzz around autonomous vehicles has been building for years, but CES 2026 showed us what the next generation looks like. We're talking level 5 autonomy, where the car is fully in control in all conditions, without any need for a steering wheel or pedals. The interiors of these vehicles are being completely reimagined. They are no longer just cars. They are mobile living spaces. Picture a morning commute where you're not stuck in traffic, but sitting in a comfortable lounge, having a virtual meeting on a holographic display, catching up on your favorite show, or even getting a quick workout on integrated fitness equipment. Major automakers showcased concept pods that can be customized for work, relaxation, or entertainment. The AI doesn't just drive the car. It curates your journey. It learns your preferences, avoids congestion before it even happens by communicating with citywide traffic grids, and ensures your arrival is perfectly timed and stress-free. It's a complete paradigm shift from transportation as a task to transportation as an experience. And this AI-powered transit extends beyond personal cars. We saw demonstrations of intelligent public transport systems. Imagine AI-managed fleets of on-demand shuttles that dynamically change their routes based on real-time passenger requests, eliminating fixed bus schedules and long waits. It's a system that's more efficient, more convenient, and significantly better for the environment. The entire logistics and delivery network is being revolutionized as well, with autonomous drones and ground vehicles working in perfect harmony, orchestrated by a central AI to ensure packages get to you faster and more reliably than ever before. The last-mile delivery problem is essentially being solved right before our eyes. Let's shift gears to health and wellness, because the innovations here are truly wearable technology has evolved far beyond step counters. The new generation of health trackers are non-invasive biosensors that provide a continuous, real-time stream of complex health data. We're talking about devices that can monitor blood glucose levels without a single pinprick, track detailed sleep cycles to diagnose potential disorders, and even analyze your sweat to give you a complete picture of your hydration and electrolyte balance. The AI takes this mountain of data and turns it into actionable insights. Your watch won't just tell you that you slept poorly. It will analyze the data and suggest you seem to sleep better when you avoid caffeine after 3 p.m. and do 10 minutes of light stretching before bed. It's like having a personal physician and a wellness coach with you 24/7. But it gets even deeper. We saw the rise of personalized medicine powered by AI. Companies are using artificial intelligence to analyze your unique genetic makeup and lifestyle data to create hyper-personalized nutrition plans and fitness regimens. Imagine getting a daily menu crafted specifically to optimize your energy levels and long-term health based on your own DNA. We also saw AI-powered diagnostic tools that can detect diseases earlier and more accurately than ever before. There were smart mirrors that can analyze your skin for potential issues and portable scanners that can perform a basic health checkup at home with the results analyzed by an AI and flagged for a doctor's review if necessary. This technology promises to make healthcare more proactive, personalized, and accessible for everyone. Of course, we can't talk about CES without talking about entertainment and creativity. The line between the creator and the consumer is blurring thanks to generative AI. We saw AI tools that can help anyone become a musician, an artist, or a filmmaker. You could hum a simple melody, and an AI would orchestrate it into a full symphony in any style you choose. You could describe a scene in words, and an AI would generate a photorealistic image or even a short video clip. This isn't about replacing human creativity. It's about augmenting it. These tools are becoming incredible co-pilots for the creative process, handling the tedious technical work and allowing creators to focus purely on their vision. It's democratizing creativity on a massive scale. Gaming is also reaching a new level of immersion. Imagine playing a role-playing game where every non-player character is powered by an advanced AI. You can have a full unscripted conversation with the town blacksmith about his life, the local economy, or the weather, and his responses will be unique and intelligent every time. Worlds will feel truly alive, with narratives that adapt and change based on your specific actions, creating a story that is uniquely yours. The graphics themselves are being rendered and upscaled in real time by AI, achieving a level of realism that is almost indistinguishable from reality, all while running on hardware that is more efficient than ever. So, what does all this mean? It means we're heading into an era of unprecedented convenience, personalization, and efficiency. The AI shown at CES 2026 is designed to be a seamless and helpful layer over our reality. It's about technology that works for us in the background, freeing us up to be more creative, healthier, and more connected to the people and experiences that matter. Of course, with all this power comes important questions about privacy, security, and ethics, and those were huge topics of discussion at the show as well. Companies are working hard to build trust with a focus on transparent data usage and robust security protocols. The future is intelligent, it's connected, and it's happening right now. The innovations from CES 2026 are not just cool gadgets, they are the building blocks of our new world. The next few years are going to be an incredible ride. Thanks for watching, and if you're as excited about this tech future as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the technology that is shaping our tomorrow. See you in the next one.